There is a new fire emergency in Southern California tonight, driven by winds gusting to almost 100 miles per hour. Tens of thousands of people forced to evacuate. Miguel Almaguer is on the front lines.
Substantial.
It's not just the size and power of these wildfires exploding out of control today, but the epic winds fanning them, creating the perfect recipe for disaster. Fighting flames and Southern California's notorious Santa Ana winds, today the critical air attack was grounded after gusts reached 96 miles an hour outside Los Angeles. The power of a Category 2 hurricane. This was the race to escape as over 90,000 were forced to evacuate Irvine, even firefighters struggling to stand their ground, two in critical condition. Bracing for an unprecedented wind event across the state, more than 1 million have had their power cut to prevent the very kind of disaster that could unfold tonight.
On the heels of what has been a historic and deadly wildfire season, the winds fanning these flames are expected to last another 24 hours. Lester?
Miguel, you and your team stay safe. From fires to Hurricane Zeta, taking aim at the Gulf Coast yet again in a record-breaking season. Al Roker joining us. Al, what are you seeing?
Lester, tropical storm watches, hurricane watches up from Louisiana all the way to the panhandle of Florida with a Category 1 storm, 80 miles per hour, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. After hitting the Yucatan tonight, it gets out into the Gulf, bringing heavy rain, making landfall sometime late Wednesday night with flooding, rain, storm surge, and then races up into the northeast with heavy rain and wind as well. Storm surges anywhere from 2 to 6 feet, all the way from Louisiana to the panhandle of Florida. Rainfall amounts locally up to 6 inches through the Mississippi River Valley, but all the way up into the northeast, heavy rain as well. Lester?
Boy, what a season it has been.